Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef rice using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of uncooked rice, and 2 cups of beef broth. Don't forget 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper for flavor. A tablespoon of soy sauce, a dash of oil, and some salt and pepper will complete our list. This recipe is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your 1 pound of ground beef and cook it until it's beautifully browned all over. Remember to drain any excess fat from the skillet. This keeps our dish lighter. Next, toss in your chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until fragrant. This step builds a wonderful flavor base for our beef rice. With our beef and aromatics ready, it's time to bring everything together. Stir in the 1 cup of uncooked rice and your chopped bell pepper with the beef mixture. Then, pour in 2 cups of rich beef broth and 1 tablespoon of savory soy sauce. Bring this delightful mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the skillet tightly and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the rice to cook perfectly. Almost there. After simmering, check if the rice is tender and has absorbed all the liquid. If it needs a little more time, add a splash of water and continue cooking briefly. Once done, gently fluff the beef rice with a fork to separate the grains. Taste and season with salt and black pepper as desired. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh chopped parsley or green onions. Serve this easy, flavorful beef rice warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.